Welcome back to the Front-End Development course on Web UI customization. In this video, our objective is to edit the existing document page in order to add a new information section displaying a list of documents. Let's say we want to list all the documents with the same title to identify possible duplicates. First, we need to identify the slots corresponding to the pages. In Nuxeo Web UI, it is called document_views_pages, as indicated in the documentation site. So, if we need to edit or build a new page, we will have to add a slot contribution pointing to this particular slot. Secondly, we need to find the element building the general document view page. If we browse the Nuxeo-Web-UI repository, the element we are talking about is Nuxeo-document-page.html. So, we need to create the page provider in Nuxeo Studio Modeler to query for the documents with the same title. Generate the result layout element in Nuxeo Studio Designer. Copy the code of the document page in our project, ensuring we're using the suitable version of the element according to our Nuxeo server version. Add a Nuxeo slot contribution to display our new page. Edit the result layout in order to initialize the results list according to our parameters. Edit the document page to add our new element. We define first in Nuxeo Studio Modeler the page provider which will execute the query to identify all the documents with the same title. Then we navigate to Designer and generate the result layouts. We won't go in detail on the search configuration, as this topic is covered in the corresponding university course. To retrieve our configuration in Studio, all we have to do is perform a git pull command so that all generated elements are now available in our workspace. We will now copy the Nuxeo-document-page.html element in our project and rename it Nuxeo-document-page-university.html. So we add a new contribution into our bundle file and activate it for all documents of type file. Let's say we want to add the duplicate listing under the document preview. It corresponds to the Nuxeo-document-view element. So we create a new Nuxeo-card with a title and integrate the result layout element. We must be careful not to forget to import the result element. Then we navigate to the result layouts. First, we must add the page provider we've created in Modeler explicitly in a Nuxeo-page-provider element. We need to send to the page provider the title of the current document to perform the query. This is done through the _compute params function, which needs the current document as parameter. In the function, we indicate the page provider predicate should correspond to the document title. Finally, the Nuxeo-results element must be bound to this page provider, but not as an ID, rather as an object, as indicated in the element properties. So we usually add a ready function. This function gets the property we need to update with this.nxProvider and link it to the page provider with this.$ to return a static map from element ID to the element reference. Then the NX provider. Now our result layout is correctly binding the results of our query using camel case properties of elements using attributes. If we deploy our configuration, a new block is now displayed under the preview with the listing of duplicates. Simple, isn't it? You can download the source code in the file area below the video. In the next video, we will see how to add a new menu in the administration page. Thanks for watching.